Tomato in Italian is Pomodoro, and this is the time management and focus tool we can use to get more done in less time and to a better quality. Win-win. The Pomodoro Technique teaches us how to work with time instead of struggling against it. It was created by Francesco Cirillo and named after the tomato-shaped timer he used to track his studying whilst at university. Often we think the longer we focus and work, the better. But this is not true. Remember back to a time that you worked on something endlessly for hours and hours. After a while, you end up getting distracted really easily and not doing good quality work. That's because our biggest tool, our brain, works best in short, sharp bursts, with breaks in between. Long focus sessions don't work. Our optimum focus time, the time we can stay focused and alert, working at our best, is 25 minutes, which is one Pomodoro focus session. To use the Pomodoro, first decide what task you're going to do. Get rid of all distractions and set a timer for 25 minutes. It doesn't have to be tomato-shaped. Now work only on that task until the timer rings. Take a short 5-minute break away from what you've been doing, even if you haven't finished the task yet. Refill your drink, stretch your legs, and then repeat. Once you've done 4 25-minute Pomodoros, then take a longer break of 20 minutes. And that is the Pomodoro Technique. The great news is that using the Pomodoro Technique helps increase how much information we remember, and not just because our brain is more alert and focused, but also because of the primacy and recency effect. The primacy and recency effect was first coined by a psychologist called Hermann Ebbinghaus, who found that when presented with a list of items, people most remember the ones at the beginning, primacy, and the ones at the end, recency. If we tried to focus for 1 whole hour, no breaks, there's just one beginning and one end, and a big chunk in the middle. Working in short, sharp Pomodoro sessions increases the amount of beginnings and ends there are, increasing our chance of remembering more. So for our best focus, the Pomodoro is how we need to work our weekly plan. When planning tasks into our weekly plan, think about how many Pomodoros it will take to complete. This doesn't have to be exact, just your best guess, so we can try and allocate our time accurately. Top focus tip. To help with managing distractions and avoiding attempting to multitask whilst focusing on a Pomodoro, plan in Pomodoros during the day solely to focus on managing incoming messages and emails, including the ones from your friends, so you avoid reacting to every email or message notification as soon as they ping. If you want to try the Pomodoro Technique out, subscribe to our channel where you'll find structured Study With Me Pomodoro sessions.